Hi, I am Saurabh, founder of Uable and father of Anya. 3 years back, when Anya turned 2 years old, my wife and I started to think about our parenting and what matters to us the most. We got concerned, very concerned, because we felt schools of today are not preparing our children for an uncertain future. We looked out, we talked to other parents of our generation, and we found that everyone resonated with our concern. I have been an educator and an entrepreneur for 15 years. I went deep, I researched, and I felt that all of us as parents want only two things for our children in life: happiness and success. We all want our children to create their own pathways to success in future, to design a life of their wanting. And to become a leader and creator, I discovered that just one skill is the most important one. That is creativity. Yes, creativity is one of the most important skills that needs to be preserved and nourished for our children from a very early age. But you know what? According to a NASA study, creative genius in our children falls from a staggering 98% to 12% between the ages of 6 to 14 years. I don't know how many of you have seen Sir Ken Robinson's famous TED Talk, where he stresses upon how our conventional education system is designed for information consumption and reproduction. It does not nurture creativity. His assertion is schools kill creativity. So, as parents, what is most important for us is to preserve and nurture our child's creative intelligence. Let me unpack it for you. Creative intelligence is our ability to deal with the uncertain situations, to deal with the ambiguous, and to come up with original solutions to strange problems that will face our children in the future. And that is what makes creative intelligence a superpower, isn't it? What creative intelligence is not just about imagination and creativity. It goes beyond it. It's a combination of creativity and other skills like critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and various social emotional skills. And that is what Uable is all about, empowering every child with this superpower. We have collaborated with some of the top researchers across the world to design what we call active learning framework, where every child is engaged in a new activity, new project every day, where they learn and play with 4 to 6 peers of their age group, enabled by our facilitators. And children, they just love it. Parents really like how excited their children are with every Uable session, and the fact that they are able to see how their child's creative intelligence is getting nurtured across every domain. For me, Uable journey began as a father. Today, Anya is a Uabler, and I absolutely believe that what we have created with Uable is something beautiful. I welcome every parent to come and experience this for yourself.